Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a special recipe for roasted groundnuts. But not just any roasted groundnuts. This is the exact method a professional peanut seller used back when I was a kid. This method is simple, natural, and gives you that perfect crunchy, salty, and delicious peanut snacks. Make sure you watch the video to the end so that you don't miss anything out. Let me show you how she did it. Yeah, I bought this groundnut from the local market and this is about 4 cups. So first thing first, we pick out all the stones, the dirt, and any foreign objects from the peanuts. This step is super important to make sure every peanut is clean and safe to eat. Of course, you will not want to be breaking stone while you are eating your peanuts. Alright, so look at what I picked out. So on a pot in the fire, as you can see, I already added enough water that could cover the peanuts. So I add about 1.5 tablespoons of salt into the water, the boiling water, and I now bring in the picked peanuts. Immediately I pour the peanuts on the fire, I immediately put up the fire. Allow it to sit in this hot salty water for 5 minutes. This soaking step helps the salt penetrate the peanuts for a richer taste. Soaking in salted water allows the peanut to absorb moisture and salt, which helps the salt penetrate deeply, resulting in a richer, well-seasoned flavor throughout the peanut rather than just on the surface. Secondly, it also reduces some of the natural bitterness of potential allergens, giving a milder, more balanced taste. So, soaking your peanuts in salty hot water this way infuses flavor and improve the nutritional value. So after 5 minutes, I drain the water from the peanuts using a sieve. Now I pour the peanuts onto a tray and spread them out evenly to keep flies away when I sun dry, because I'm going to use the sun to dry this peanut. You can also use a dehydrator to dry the peanut at this stage. After a good drying session, here comes our peanut already dry, and as you can see, you have to control yourself because I started eating this groundnut and it's so tasty, so tasty. You need self-control not to eat this groundnut raw. So, all right, it's time to go to the next step, which is roasting. This is my frying pan already on the stove or the fire. So I pour in a generous amount of salt and let it warm up. Then I introduce the dried peanuts and stir fry until they turn golden brown and smell amazing. Now at this point, you need to be very careful. Let your fire be on medium-low heat so that it will not burn up quickly. Then try and stir fry so that you will have one side burnt. You will experience one side burnt. Sorry about my voice. I have cold. That is why my voice is blunt. So I took the pan off the fire. That is after testing. Just pick a few of the groundnut or peanut and squeeze them with your hand. Once the back can easily flake off, as you can see me do, then your groundnut is ready. If you still want to fry it more, because some people prefer it to be almost burnt, I don't like it that way. Whichever way, it depends on your choice. But make sure it doesn't get burnt or else you lose the taste. So I bring it off the fire and immediately pour it into a sieve and sieve it off like you see me do. If not, it will keep on roasting and this can get your peanuts burnt. So please quickly sieve off the hot salt from your groundnut and allow it to cool down before don't eat it hot. Please don't take it hot while it's still hot. And here it is, perfectly roasted. This is crunchy and flavorful groundnuts. just like I remember from market days. This traditional method really brings out the best taste, and you can store it in a container. It's good for your next meal. In Nigeria, we use groundnut in different ways. Can use it to take your garri, can use it and mix it up with your popcorn. Unless I forget, I have my popcorn video, a link in the description below. You can eat it with popcorn and you can just snack on it like that. And in different ways, you can eat it with what do you call it, Benny seed. This is a favorite of my people. You can eat it with many things. You can use it in your baking. Groundnut is such a flavorful addition to any diet. So thank you for watching till now. If you enjoyed this video and want to try this authentic roasted groundnut recipe, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more nostalgic and tasty recipes. Also, share your thoughts or your own peanut roasting tips in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.